Assertion and reason. Statement 1. For maximum height of a projectile, when the maximum range is r, the only valid relation is that h is 50% of r. Statement 2. Since r is u square sine 2 theta by g and h is u square sine square theta by 2g. So four options are here. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. And statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. D option, statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true. In these type of questions, we have to see the statements one by one. So first statement we will take it. Statement 1. For maximum height h of a projectile, when the maximum range is r, the only valid relation is h is 50% of r. So first we need to check into this. Then we have to see the second statement. Check whether first statement is true or not. Check whether second statement is true or not. Then we have to relate this. Read the first statement, put a because in between and go through the second statement. If the second statement is the correct explanation of first, option A will be correct. If not, then option B will be correct. If we check the statements, one of them is true, one of them is false, then option C or D we have to choose. So first, I'll take the range formula u square sine 2 theta by g and h is u square sine square theta by 2g. And for maximum height condition we'll put it and maximum range condition we'll put it. So r is equal to u square sine 2 theta by g. And we have the formula h is equal to u square sine square theta by 2g. This is the formula for height. This is the formula for the range when a body is projected from the ground at certain angle. The body is projected like this at an angle theta with a speed u. Then it moves in a parabolic path like this. This is the height and this will be the range. Now, we want to calculate this range maximum. You know what is the condition for maximum range? In the theory part we have studied. Maximum range will be when angle of projection theta, when theta is equal to 45 degrees. At an angle when 45 degrees the body is projected, range becomes maximum. So when theta is 45 degrees, substitute theta 45 here. Range becomes maximum. Maximum range is u square sine 2 into 45 divided by g. That means 2 into 45 is 90, sine 90 by g. That's nothing but u square by g. This is our range maximum. Now we can substitute the same value, whatever the value of theta 45 we got it, and we want to take it in terms of maximum height. So for maximum height, when will be the height maximum? When theta is 90 degrees for the same velocity. When the body is projected for 90 degrees, the height will become maximum height. So h is maximum when theta is 90 degrees here. It will be u square by 2g. So height maximum u square by 2g. R maximum u square by g. So what we conclude? H maximum is equal to u square by g is R maximum. R maximum by 2. So maximum height of a projectile when the maximum range is r, h is the maximum height. Maximum height h of a projectile when the range is maximum, its valid relation is h is equal to r by 2 or 50% of r. So height maximum is 50% of r. H is 50% of r. So if we say the first statement, let us look into the first statement. Maximum height h of a projectile when maximum range is r, the only valid relation is h is 50% of r. So first statement is true. Why? Because r is equal to u square sine 2 theta by g, h is u square sine square theta by 2g. This statement is also true. So both the statement 1 and statement 2 is true. So option C is ruled out, option D is ruled out. We are left over with two options. Now, whether the statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1 or statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. We have derived h is 50% of r by taking these two equations, substituting theta is 45, substituting theta is 90, we got the result. Therefore, statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. So option A will be correct, option B will be wrong. So in this assertion reasoning, we will mark the answer as answer A. Answer will be option A is the correct option.